Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with a pre-market analysis for today, the 19th of November 2013. You're watching the weekly chart. We see in a top tail at the moment, and it seems like we reach a momentum where the currency is finding a situation where a possible correction eventually will happen. However, the situation that we see right now, it has to show a little bit of more effort or a little bit of more signals in order to make sure or ensure that this particular correction will happen in the next few hours, obviously during the rest of this week. As you all know, we are overextended in weekly and daily, and mostly in all the different time frames that we use to read the possibilities and the opportunities that the currency is showing us. Yesterday's hearing in the US Senate, you all saw the situation, pretty much an introduction about what it can happen today. The skepticism of the US government is still affecting in some way several areas, talking about Bitcoin. So the criminal side of it obviously is very threatened for everyone. I'm not saying that it's not threatened for only the US, but obviously the other benefits that the currency is bringing to the world is something that they have to take into consideration. So today the new hearing is more about more deep into the different situations that the currency can imply if in the event that some governments officially accept the currency. There's a lot of debate and a lot of discussion. This is a brand new system in place that is challenging every single archaic economy system that we have so far. So it's been 110 years of different system, and an old system, sorry, and now cryptography is bringing a new set of new benefits in terms of financial systems or payment systems. But we'll see what happens today. What happens with the daily chart right now is the situation that you will see is a long range candlestick leaving top tails and bottom tails with a short small body. Is an expansion, is a candlestick in expansion, and it show us a possible situation that is basically related to the correction. As you all saw it during this morning, the currency managed to reach $585, which is a huge drop. However, it still go back up, and right now we see it having a new momentum in this particular consolidation in the 240-minute chart. What will happen next? It's something that we have to have a look in more detail in the small time frames, such as 60 minutes or even 15 minutes. The situation at this point is we managed to reach the SMAs of 10 and 20. The currency managed to go back on track, visit this particular resistance, and is trying to build new higher low, but obviously fails on it, and it backs on track to trying to build again a possible lower high in these areas. And if this lower high gets built and it performs towards lower prices, his next target could be again 585, and after that a potential visit to the SMA 200. This is what the 60-minute chart is showing. In order for us to confirm this situation, we need to see this potential lower high built and in complete performance to see possible new corrections. Just so you know, we see right now possible consolidations based on what the major time frames are showing us after this kind of high volatility that we saw previous hours, where the currency managed to reach even not over 900, which was 998, but we also visit bottom areas at 585. High volatility, one more day of hearings. Let's see what the US government have to say about Bitcoin and the entire ecosystem, and let's see how the representatives of Bitcoin in general have to defend the currency in order to convince the government that we are not a threat, we are actually a benefit for the entire world. I'm Lucano, you're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day. Goodbye.